Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix sign out is not available due to restriction. As you can see here guys, now I'm going to sign out my Apple ID and you can see here guys, sign out is not available due to restriction. So guys, if you have updated your device to the iOS 17 and you want to sign out your Apple ID and sign out is not available, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on channel and make sure that you have updated your device. Go back. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on screen time. From here guys, you have to scroll it down. So you can see here guys, change screen time passcode. You can easily see here turn off screen time passcode. Okay guys, just simply have to turn off screen time. So you can also tap on content and privacy restrictions. So you can see here guys, here is the content and privacy restrictions. Just simply have to turn this toggle off. Once you turn this toggle off guys, after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.